sitting posture, सिद्धासन, साधी मांडी, पद्मासन, पाटकणा समस्थितीत, पाटकणा सरळ, मान सरळ, डोळे अलगद मिटलेले, हात प्राणधारणा, श्वासाकडे लक्ष, हात द्रोण मुद्रेमध्ये किंवा ज्ञान मुद्रेमध्ये. सुरुवातीला करूया आपण श्वसन मार्ग शुद्धी. श्वसन मार्ग शुद्धी करता कपालभाती, कपालभातीचे 30 स्ट्रोक मारायचे. और कपालभाती, exhale out completely, inhale deeply and start. After finishing the stroke, enjoy Kumbhak. The breathing rate, slow down or stop. After few seconds, it will again get normal. In between this period is called Kumbhak. Inner awareness, आंतरिक सजगता. Now next, we will go for eye cleansing. That is Netra Shuddhi. Or Netra Shuddhi or eye cleansing, open your eyes and concentrate on Om. Om. If you don't have Om, then imagine Om. You have seen in past, then imagine Om. Om, Akar, Ukar, Makar and वर अनुस्वार असा 3.5 मात्राचा ओम कंप्लीट डोळ्यात भरून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न. Om, only Om. After some time, your eyes get clear or tired. Then close down your eyelids and try to see the same Om at your eyebrow center. The same object, the same Om, the same image. Only Om. फक्त ओमचं चिंतन, ओमचं मनन. Hari Om. Now, for Vacha Shuddhi, vocal cleansing, we have to do Omkar chanting at 4 different levels. The first level very loudly. Proportion O 80%, Mo 20%. Feel the vibration below navel region to the toes. For this, exhale out completely. Inhale deeply and chant. Inner awareness. आंतरिक सर्जकता, कंपनांची जाणीव. Experience the vibration. Second chanting in middle speech. O and Mo equal proportion, 50-50. Feel the vibration between navel region to the neck. For this, exhale out completely. Inhale deeply and chant. Experience the vibration, inner awareness, आंतरिक सजगता. Third chanting at very low speech. Feel the vibration above neck, that is complete head. Proportion O 20%, Makar long 80%. Exhale out completely. Inhale deeply and chant. Experience the vibration, inner awareness, आंतरिक सजगता. Now the fourth chanting, mental chanting, chanting in mind. There is no proportion. Feel the vibration all over the body. For this, exhale out completely. Inhale deeply and chant. Inner awareness, आंतरिक सजगता. Experience the vibration, कंपनांची जाणीव. Now for prayer, close your hand together. Chant the prayer. Follow me. Omkaram bindu sayuktam.
Omkaram bindu sayuktam.
Nityam dhyayanti yoginaha.
Nityam dhyayanti yoginaha.
Kamadam mokshadam chaiva.
Kamadam mokshadam chaiva.
Omkaraya namo namah.
Omkaraya namo namaha.
दोन्ही हात वर आणि कमरेत न झुकत नमन मुद्रा. ओम समोर नतमस्तक व्हायचंय. आजची साधना ओमला नमन करून वी आर स्टार्टिंग. अलगद वर यायचंय, हात खाली आणायचे ऍट द चेस्ट. हाताचं घर्षण आणि ऊब डोळ्यांना द्यायची. अलगद डोळे उघडायचे. एक कटाक्ष परत ओम कडे. हरिओम. Now next we will do the Vata Mukti, air remover, air removing from the joint. त्याकरता पोझिशन घ्यायची आहे विश्रांती अवस्था. आपल्या शरीरातील सर्व ज्या संधी आहेत त्यातून वातमुक्ती आपल्याला करायची आहे. पवनमुक्तासन फ्रॉम द जॉईंट. सुरुवातीला करूया. दोन्ही पाय जोडून घ्यायचे. पायाची बोट मागे पुढे, फॉरवर्ड बॅकवर्ड. फूट फिंगर फॉरवर्ड बॅकवर्ड. पाऊल फॉरवर्ड बॅकवर्ड. पाऊल फिरवून घ्यायचंय गोलाकार, क्लॉकवाईज. अँटी क्लॉकवाईज. Hari Om. Now right legs. Give support under the knee of the right legs. पाऊल सीटकडे आणायचं, सरळ करायचं. परत सीटकडे आणायचं, सरळ करायचं. नीला आधार देऊन पाय वर उचलून घ्यायचा आहे. लिफ्ट युअर लेग्स and up and down. Up and down 3 times. Then move in circle 3 times. Move in circle 3 times. Anti-clockwise. Keep your legs on your left thigh. डाव्या मांडीवर पाय ठेवायचा आहे आणि पाऊल फिरवून घ्यायचं आहे. रोटेट युअर लेग, रोटेट युअर टोज. उलट. पाऊल झटकून घ्यायचंय. जर्किंग, जेंटल जर्किंग. हरि ओम. पावलाला आधार द्यायचा आहे, गुडघ्याला आधार द्यायचा आहे आणि हॉरिझॉन्टल फिरून घ्यायचं आहे. पाऊल जागेकडे ओढायचं आहे, व्हर्टिकल. पाय सरळ करायचा आहे आणि विश्रांती. Experience the impact of this action. You feel very light because you remove air from your joint. वातमुक्त झालेला आहे आपला राईट लेग, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला हलकेपण आलेला आहे. And that you are experiencing. Now for the left legs also we will do the same thing. पाऊल मागे पुढे, सीटकडे आणायचंय, सरळ करायचंय. पाय वर उचलून घ्यायचंय, वर खाली. फिरवून घ्यायचंय गोलाकार. उलट. आता उजव्या जांघेवरती पाय ठेवायचा आहे आणि पाऊल फिरवून घ्यायचं आहे. rotation from the ankle joint. Slowly, उलट. पाऊल झटकून घ्यायचं आहे. Gentle jerking. हळूहळू परत पाऊल ठेवून द्यायचं जागेवर. आता हॉरिझॉन्टल. पाऊल जागेकडे ओढायचंय. वर्टिकल. आता डावा पाय सुद्धा सरळ करायचा आहे आणि विश्रांती. Now experience the impact of this action. The air is completely removed from your left leg also. Hence you are feeling very light. You are experiencing this. A pleasant experience. Now we will do for the hands also. Straight your hand and straight your finger. Now start from the finger. Close and straight. Close and straight 3 times. Close your finger and palm up down. Up down. In out. Close your finger and wrist joint. मनगटातून फिरवायचं आहे. दोन्ही बाजूने 3-3 वेळा फिरवून घ्यायचं आहे. क्लॉकवाईज अँटी क्लॉकवाईज. Now straight your palm towards the sky and keep on the shoulder. That is the elbow joint. 3 times. Now shoulder, keep your hand on the shoulder, close your elbow and go back. फिरून घ्यायचे आहे. शोल्डर मधनं हात पुढून मागे 3 वेळा. मागून पुढे 3 वेळा. मागून पुढे 3 वेळा. उलट. Now relax and experience the impact of this action under your shoulder. You feel very light and comfortable, pleasant, because you have already removed air from your legs and hands. Now we will remove the air from our vertebral column, Merudanda. For this Merudanda Vakrasana, your left leg straight, right leg fold, and go ahead and back. Observe the action. Now change your legs. Now right leg straight and left leg fold. Go ahead and back. Is a complete stretch and twist and straight. Stretch and twist. Stretch and twist. Hari Om. Relax for a few seconds and see the impact in your back. See the impact in your back. You feel very light. Now for your spine. Relaxation of your spine. Close your legs together. Is a Nauka Chalan. We'll go Magun Pude. Head to be touched to the knees. This is a complete bend. Reverse. The complete bend. Reverse. 2, 3. Relax. And see the impact. You feel again very comfortable. Now, one more joint. That is cervical vertebra. Maneche manke. Cervical vertebra is the neck. For this, there is a neck rotation. 3 times left and right. Three times up and down. Complete up and down. Complete. Tilting. Full round. हनुवटी छातीला लावायची. उजवा कान उजव्या खांद्याला, पाठीमागे. नंतर डावा कान डाव्या खांद्याला आणि परत हनुवटी छातीला. Repeat this round. Now reverse. डावा कान डावा खांदा पाठीला, परत उजवा कान उजवा खांदा आणि परत हनुवटी छातीला. Again repeat this round 2 times. Complete bend. Complete movement of your cervical vertebra. Spondylitis. Hari Om. Vishranti for few seconds. Now our body is ready for the asanas because we have removed the air Vata Mukti from the joint. Hence our body become 60% flexible. 60% flexible. Now it is ready for doing the asanas. The first asana we will do the Vajrasana. Close your legs together and besides your body. First hold your right legs. Sit on your right leg, then left legs. दोन्ही हात मांड्यांवर. बॅक स्ट्रेट, आईज क्लोज. प्राणधारणा. Concentrate on your breathing, natural breathing. Next asana we will do the Manjarasana. Stand up on your knees. गुडघ्यांवर उभं राहायचंय. दोन गुडघ्यांमध्ये एक हाताचं अंतर घ्यायचंय. दोन्ही हात तिथल्या तिथे सरळ करायचे. मान आणि पाठ एका रेषेत आहे. खात्री करून घ्यायची आहे. आता पाठ खाली जाईल आणि मान वर जाईल. Somebody is sitting on your back and pulling your head back. This is the situation. Breathing normal. Straight your back and neck. Then your back will go up and head down. Somebody is pressing your head to the down and pulling your back up. This is the situation. Breathing again normal. Hari Om, straight your back, neck, and slowly go to back to Vajrasana. And see the impact in your body of this action. Now, the next asana we will do Bhushirasana. हाताची चुंबळ करायची आहे आणि ती समोर ठेवायची. दोन्ही हात आणि दोन्ही हाताच्या चुंबळच्या आतमध्ये डोकं ठेवायचंय आणि तिथल्या तिथे पाय सरळ करायचे. भूशिरासन. See, एकदम एक परफेक्ट आसन, भूशिरासन. It is a complete stand. हरिओम. पहिल्यांदा घुटणे टेकवायचे आणि नंतर सीट टेकवायची आणि वज्रासनामध्ये स्थिर व्हायचं. Again, see the impact of this action. Our blood flow goes towards our head. And when we come to the Vajrasana, it is again coming back towards the heart, the blood flow. Hence, you feel very light in the head. If you have any headache problem, that will be minimized. Hari Om. Now, एक पायाने आता वज्रासन सोडून द्यायचंय. And come to the Shayana Sthiti. Shavasana. Shavasana. Both the legs. Keep the distance in both the legs. पाऊल बाहेरच्या दिशेला, toes inside. तळहात towards the sky. Stable your body first. Stabilize your breathing first. Very important. From this, we will do plus cycling. Close your legs together, hand besides your body. Lift your legs at 45 and start the cycling. Backward, forward. Complete pedal. Reverse. Come to down. Lift your head up and down. And relax for a few seconds. In Shavasana. Calm down your breath. Now we'll go for the next asana, Pavanamuktasana. Close your legs together, hand beside your body. Lift your legs. And पाऊल सीटला लावून घ्यायचं आहे. आणि हाताची ब्रॅकेट. हाताची ब्रॅकेट हातेचा विडखा दोन्ही पायांना घालायचा आहे. आणि डोकं हनुवटी पायांना लावायची आहे. It is a complete pressure on your abdomen. This is also Pavanamuktasana. The air remover from your abdomen. Complete air remover. Vata mukti of abdomen. Vata mukti of your udar. पोटातली हवा सरते. श्वास नॉर्मल. ब्रीदिंग नॉर्मल. नाउ हाताची पकड सैल करायची आहे आणि रोलिंग करून घ्यायचं आहे. A very good massage for your back. उठून वळायचा प्रयत्न. Hari Om. One time in the left, one time in the right. एकदा डावीकडे एकदा उजवीकडे. परत दोन्ही पाय वर करून रिलॅक्स. In Shavasana. Again calm down your breathing and see the impact of this asana. Hari Om. The next asana, that is Uttana Vakrasana. Again close your legs together and beside your body. Again take your toes towards the seat. पाऊल पावलाला भेटलेला आहे. Knees over knees. Ankle over ankle. Now your legs will go to the right and face toward the left. Hands below your head. It is a complete twist on the Merudanda, to the vertebral column. It is a complete twist. Breathing normal. Bring your legs up. Now again check your legs together. Now your legs will go to the left and face towards the right. It's a complete twist. It is a complete twist. Hari Om. Again come back. दोन्ही पाय सरळ. दोन्ही हात काढून घ्यायचे. Relax. See the impact in your body. A beautiful experience. You feel again very light. Hari Om. Now एका कुशीवर वळून उठून बसायचं आहे. साधी मांडी सिद्धासन. दोन्ही हात ज्ञान मुद्रेमध्ये. Experience the प्राणधारणा. प्राणस्पंदनाची जाणीव. for a few seconds. The next asana we will do Parvatasana. Namana Mudra. Now up your head by touching first your mouth, nose, forehead, and go up. Inhale and exhale. Increase your speed. It's a complete stretch to your back and abdomen. Again, bring your hands back, first towards the head, touches the forehead, nose, and towards the chati, and keep on your again in the Jnana Mudra or Drona Mudra. See the impact. Experience the impact. Very good experience. Your lungs go up and easy for breathing. It is a easy breathing in this state. You increase the capacity of your lungs. Hari Om. Now we'll do the next asana, the Paschimottanasana or Paschimottanasana. Straighten your legs. Close your legs together and besides your body, hand on your thigh. Then come forward. धीरे धीरे आगे आना है. धीरे धीरे आगे आना है. Touch your forehead to the knees and hand to the toes. It's a complete bend. You touches your head, forehead touches the knees. Very good asana for ladies, because in the gents it improves the prostate function, and in ladies it improves the ovary function. Hari Om. Again, one by one, taking. Your breath is normal in Vishranti Avastha. See the impact in the abdomen. There is a pressure on this abdominal organ. And again we release. You will feel very light because you are providing the blood, pure blood. We are replacing the impure blood by pure blood. Hari Om. Now go to the Viparita Shayana Sthiti. In the Viparita Shayana Sthiti, Makarasana. Distance between both the legs, hand besides your body, palm towards your sky, is a complete rest of your body. Complete rest of your body. Your body is in a zero gravity. All over body is in zero gravity. No stress, no strain, no gravity, nothing. It's a full relaxation. Now the next we will do Shalbhasan. For Shalbhasan, take the position, close your legs together, hand besides your body, and forehead at the ground or Hanavati at the ground. Now both the hands under your thigh and lift your legs from the west. कमर पासूनच हात पाय वर करायचे. उचलायचे. नी हे फोल्ड करायच्या नाही. Don't fold the knees. थोडेसे उचलले गेले तरी चालतील. Hari Om. Sleep slowly to the ground and relax in Makrasana again. Breathing normal. Now the next asana, that is the Bhujangasana. Close your legs together, hand beside your body. Anuvati Zaminila टेकलेली. Now keep your hands to the chest and with the hand, press the hand towards the ground and your chest will up. Chest will come up and remove the support. It's a complete bend, backward bend. Backward bend to the neck, backward bend to the back. Breathing normal. Very beautiful. Now, first keep your hand to the ground, then head to the ground. Relax in Makarasana. Breathing normal. See the impact of this asana. Every time the impact will be different. Please experience this. Please note down this impact. This is very important. Each asana, you got a different experience. The next asana, that is Dhanurasana. Close your legs together, hand beside your body. First bend your legs towards the seat and hold your legs and stretch. Pull your legs, your chest automatically come up. It's a beautiful bend. Both the side, your leg side as well as your head side. Breathing normal. Now slowly come again to the Makarasana. Now first sit on, first come on this sitting posture, dhire dhire. Slow down. See the impact of this asana. Get breathing normal. Now come to the Danda Sthiti. Relaxation position. पूर्ण येते ना relaxative position. थोडसे दंड स्थिति. Now we will do the Hastapadasana. Both the legs together, both the hands beside your body. Now your hand will go up. It's a backward bend. Backward bending. Then turn back. Keep your hand on the ground and your head touches the knees. Hastapadasana. आणि तिथल्या तिथे आता सरळ व्हायचं आहे. Hari Om. And now relax. Or sometimes see the impact of this asana. The next asana, Ekapada Tolasana. Both the legs together, both the hands parallel to the ground. First your right leg. Concentrate on one point, then you can balance. Keep your legs back. Now for the left legs. Back. Come down your leg, head, hand, and see the impact for a few seconds of this asana. Now we'll do Uddiyana. Holding the breath outside. Uddiyana. First, exhale out completely. Inhale deeply and completely exhale. Potala khatta. And hold your breath outside for 2 seconds. As per your capacity. This is Uddiyana. Now see the impact of this Uddiyana first. Now we'll do Agnisar. Inhale and exhale completely. Exhale. And movement of your abdomen. Without breathing. No breathe. Hari Om. See the impact. It's a very good. Now sit down. Hand in Drona Mudra or Jnana Mudra. And in Jnana Mudra, experience the Prana Skandha there. Experience Prana Skandha. Breathing should get normal. Now from this we will do Yogic Swasan. Akar. It is a Akar, Ukar, Makar. Akar, Ukar, Makar Swasan. 3 times. Exhale out completely. Inhale deeply. Akar, Ukar, Makar at a time in equal proportion. Again, exhale out completely. Inhale deeply. Again, exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Relax few seconds. See the impact of this yogic swasan in your mind. Very pleasant experience. Kampananchi जाणीव. Next, we will do Anulom Vilom. हाताची अंगुली मुद्रा. Close your right nostril. Exhale completely through the left. Inhale through the left. Then exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Now again do 2 more आवर्तन as on your own. अपने आप कर लेना है 2 आवर्तन और. दोन आवर्तन संपल्यानंतर विश्रांती. See the impact of this Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. It is a very balancing. It balances both the brain, right brain and left brain. Anulom Vilom. Very beautiful experience. The next we will do Brahmari, 3 round, and we will go to the Shavasana, 3 round. Exhale out completely, inhale deeply, and inhale, inhale, now with eyes closed, go to the Shavasana. Distance between the legs, पाऊल बाहेरच्या दिशेला, टोज आतल्या दिशेला, हँड शरीराच्या थोडे जवळ, palm towards the sky. Your complete body is under rest. Complete body under rest. Now take your mind towards your both the legs. You have experienced the relaxation, Vata Mukti, air Mukti between the legs, in the legs. Hence, you have also experienced the impact of this Pavana Mukti. You feel very light, and that you also experience. Now come to your shoulder, elbow, then wrist, then hands finger. Complete Vata Mukti, complete air remover from the joint, and the impact is very light, and you feel this, you experience this impact on both the hands. Now come to your mind on your back, your backbone, complete vertebral column, including your neck, spine. You have done the Vata Mukti, air removal. The impact also you experience. Then you feel very light and enjoy a pleasant experience you got. Still it is there. Now come to your face, your cheek, your forehead, your eyes is completely relaxed. Completely relaxed. There is no stress, strain on your forehead. This you are experiencing this. Now come to your abdomen and chest. When breathe in, your abdomen come up. When you breathe out, your abdomen come down. See the natural process. Observe this. Accordingly, your body is completely on rest. Now come to your breathing process. A natural breathing process. It is an involuntary breathing process. It is a continuous process. Observe some time. When breathe is in, you feel coolness in the nostril. When breathe is out, you feel warm at the nostril. With each breath, you are energetic. Each breath coming inside, bring pranic energy inside. And each breath going out will throw out all the toxicity, all the stressful material. Hence you get relaxed. प्रत्येक श्वासाबरोबर तुम्ही एनर्जी युक्त होतायत आणि प्रत्येक बाहेर जाणाऱ्या श्वासाबरोबर तुम्ही चिंतामुक्त होतायत. यातून आपल्याला बाहेर यायचंय. दोन्ही पाय हलवून दोन्ही पाय जुळवून घ्यायचे. दोन्ही हात शरीराच्या वर न्यायचे. स्ट्रेच द्यायचंय. एका कुशीवर वळायचंय आणि उठून बसायचं. डोळे मिटलेल्या अवस्थेत उठून बसायचं. दोन्ही हात जुळवून घ्यायचे. शांतीपाठ पाठोपाठ म्हणायचं. ओम पूर्णमद
ॐ पूर्णमद
पूर्णमिदं
पूर्णमिदं
पूर्णाः
पूर्णात्
पूर्णमुदच्यते
पूर्णमुदच्यते
पूर्णस्य
पूर्णस्य
पूर्णमादाय
पूर्णमादाय
पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते.
पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते.
ओम शांति शांति शांति.
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
Both the hands up and again ओम समोर झुकत आजची साधना ओमला समर्पित. आणि परत एकदा संकल्प. याच वेळेस अशीच साधना मी च्या दिवस करणार आहे. संकल्प करून परत वर यायचे. दोन्ही हात खाली द्रोण मुद्रेमध्ये ठेवायचे. एक श्वास भरून घ्यायचा आणि ओंकार. दोन्ही हातांचं घर्षण आणि हुब डोळ्यांना. परत अलगद डोळे उघडायचे आणि एक कटाक्ष ओमकडे. हरि ओम तत्सत हरि ओम तत्सत हरि ओम तत्सत
हरि ओम. हरि ओम.